Are you fascinated by AI tools and want to create your very own AI tools directory website just like Featurepedia? You are in the right place. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a professional AI tools directory website using a free theme, no coding skill required. We will cover everything from setting up your website, customizing the design, adding AI tools, and making it fully functional. So before starting, you need a free WordPress classified theme. For the best, you can use CLclassified free classified as WordPress theme. You can click here to purchase. So let's install classified theme first. For this, go to the Appearance, Theme, then add New Theme. To upload theme, click on Choose File, and for this, select exact zip file of it. Then install now. While completing, click on Activate, and instantly you will get your required plugins to begin installing. Select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to the plugins installer. Again, select all of them to activate and apply it. After that, back to the dashboard of your classified listing, plugins, installed plugins, and find RT Demo Importer. Click on Install Demo Contents and get your desired homepage to install. Click on it and wait for completing installation. CLclassified is a top-tier free classified ads WordPress theme that makes it easy to own an exceptional classified ads website. Now let's create AI tools submission form with the drag and drop form builder. For this, go to the classified listing form builder and click on Add New Form, and then select New Blank Form to start from the scratch. According to the fields, click on Edit and set the section title like Tools Category. Next, edit and set the title as Tools Title. And edit the label name as Tool Description. Then go for the next field and set its title as Tool Pricing. For more, from the preset fields, select Pricing. You will get three options for it, like pricing type, price type, and price unit. You can add more fields from the custom fields, like text. Now click on it to edit label. Set the title as Pricing Model. For the next field, edit the title as Tool Image. Then drag the image field and video URL fields from the preset fields. Edit its title as Tools Video. Next, drag and drop Social Profiles field. If you want, you can change its name like Follow. Before saving this form, set the name of it like AI Tool Submission and update it. Now move to the form list. Enable it to make AI Tool Submission form active and delete the default one. Now let's add AI Tools category. Go to the listings of your dashboard, category, and set a name to add new, like AI Business Tools. Select the types and image. Choose the image as per your requirement and save it. Now visit the site to have a look of it. Now we will learn how to submit an AI tool. This is a form to post an ad. Select the tools category, then tools title, and for the description, provide the details of it. Along with the tags. Then provide the pricing model of it. With the price and price unit. Then furnish it with an image. For video URL, you can provide it if you want, but for tool website, please provide it appropriately. Now submit it. Here in the My Listing, this is the listings what you have made so far. Click on All Ads to see it. This is the details what you added on the description box. Pricing model, website link, price with the price unit. Let's try this link once. Alright, now let's customize the website. First, click on Edit with Elementor. Let's start with the title of your heading. Customize it as AI tool categories. And for the next title, set it as our latest tool. Now go to the style and customize its typography. And the text color from the color picker. If you want, you can further change the background. Now publish it to save. And see your customization. If you again want to change your text color, go to the style once more and select your preferred text color from the color picker. Let's save and see it. For further customization, for example, this one, click on header and customize its title into Add Tools instead of listing. And for this one, if you want to change the name, go to the menus, main menu, then click on All Ads. Here you can change label name according to your choice, like all tools. Here are the differences. Thus, you can create AI tools directory website with free CLclassified theme. Thank you for watching.